Our society is dominated by social media, which has made it easier to see and know what exactly everyone else is doing every moment of the day, all of the time. We are consistently bombarded with photos and videos and interactions of our peers online, which is making it increasingly harder to maintain curiosity about those around us. I also believe that because of social media and the internet, it has become difficult to find someone who is uniquely and unapologetically themselves. We have fallen into the trap of judging each other's characters by the amount of likes we get. In order to get the most favorites, we have to be relatable. We post pictures based off of how we believe our followers will respond, not for our own sense of self-preference. In the article, The Other Side is Not Dumb by Sean Blanda, he reiterates throughout that we have created opposing sides of what we consider is normal versus abnormal. What really stood out to me was the point he made when considering why we post the things we do on social media. Do we do it for ourselves or for those who we know are seeing it? As a teenage girl in college, the questions I hear on a daily basis involve which filter to use, which outfit to wear, how should I reply to this text. We have become way too accustomed to the reliance on others. I believe that independence is something that is decreasing, and if we don't realize it, we will lose sight of ourselves and who we are as individuals. Post whatever you want if it makes you happy. Wear what you want because you like it, not because everyone else is wearing something different. At the end of the day, all you have is yourself. Be who you want to be, not who everyone else wants you to be.